let's make a miniature kitchen to scale, she says. Then hardly ever use it because it's difficult to move around. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? Today we are in our realistic miniature doll kitchen, inspired by my real-life kitchen. Well, except for the tile. I did change that. But I was online looking at all of these beautiful handmade kitchens made by other miniature artists, and I was like, I want one. Then I remembered I have one. We made this kitchen a few years ago with a lot of printables, all of which are available for free on our blog, in the Kitchen Stuff album at MyFroggyStuff.blogspot.com. But for this kitchen, let's cut it into pieces to make it easier to store. Now the island is not glued down, so we can just remove it. Ooh, it's all dusty. This side seems pretty easy to separate from the rest of the kitchen. All we have to do is remove the wall. Yep. I don't know what it is, but I love renovations. I was thinking we could cut it right here. But first we have to remove the floor. Oops. It's not gonna look like my kitchen anymore, but at least we will be using it. I'm using a ruler and an X-Acto knife to cut through the countertop. Oops. I accidentally removed the whole cabinet, but that might be a good thing because now it's easier to cut the wall. So let's cut the wall. And now we have 3 separate pieces. I want this kitchen to be compatible with our current wooden box rooms that we make using the 11 by 14 inch panels from the dollar store. But this kitchen is a lot taller and a little wide. However, if we remove this unit right here, then these 2 will fit on the board. These 2 can already fit, and we can cut this piece down as well. All right, so let's do it. Here are the pieces we are going to keep. I've trimmed off whatever I could to try to reduce the size as much as possible, but it is still taller than our boards. But I'm not worried about it because I've decided to hang these on the walls as shelves. To make the shelves, I cut one panel in half, then take another panel and glue it to the back. I paint the edges and anything else that I think might be visible. Change of plans. I know going past this wall is going to bother me. So let's just remove everything from the foam board and cut the cabinets down. Oh, this isn't going to take too long. This is going to be a fast remodel. Me, earlier today. I printed out the doors for the small wall cabinet, cut out the template and the wood grain, glue the templates onto discarded foam board, cut them out, cover them with the wood grain, glue them on top to make a smaller cabinet. Let's place a few items onto our shelf, which is now dry, just to see how they are going to look. I need this kitchen to fit Mini Toya and Mini Hubby, who is a lot taller than Mini Toya. Our countertops are pretty high. I think I can lower them about 1/4 of an inch. So I'm just going to trim it off at the bottom using a ruler and an X-Acto knife. The joys of home renovations when you're working with foam board. I know it's a tiny change, but every inch counts in the dollhouse. And let's remove those countertops and cover them with a high gloss white contact paper. Glue it back on. I make new cabinet doors and glue them onto the front. I'm taking these 2 drawers and making them into one. Then I take a push pin, then push it into the printable right over the printed knobs so they're 3D. I add black contact paper to the stove in just a few spots so we get a little shine. I also cut it down to the new height of the cabinets. I covered the top of the hood as well. I covered the refrigerator, but I'm not loving it. I think we should add some faux doors, and I want to add lights underneath the cabinets. Wow, this little kitchen remodel is taking way longer than I thought. So let's take a quick break and open some mail. Ooh, wait, are those real little shoes? No way! You did not send me real little shoes. I know there's a note, but I'm gonna check out these shoes first. What? These are Series 2 Violet Flyers. We have to break out our real little shoe store for this. Yeah! And dress Mini Toya in some new tops I bought from Elite Doll World. At this point, I just need a frequent shopper's card. Love it. Do these shoes fit? They do, and they look kind of great. They're staying on and everything. And there's a note. My name is Chantel, your mine and my mom's fave YouTuber. Your DIY and miniature videos are everything. Aw, thanks. Here are some things you were missing. Hope they make it in time. Also, the clear thing, this is for your Toy Mini Brand books to see if they can be read. Now we have to check it out. This is A Christmas Carol from the little mini brands or mini toy brands. And here are the tiny words. I can see W-E. We! Because we love books. Keep being you. Please never stop. Aw, thank you. That is so sweet. And there's more shoes. Ooh, we have some sparkly ones. Rainbow shoes. A Monster High pencil box with more shoes. And it's a double. Even though it's a double, I love it because you thought of me. Thank you. A little Barbie baby robe. There's a doll jacket with a little crocheted flower. Shopkins Juicy Juice. This is going to look great in the dollhouse. Pine Sol and mayonnaise, pickles, and a few wrapped items. What's this? Oh, little dolls. How adorable. Maleficent is one of my favorite Disney characters. I just rewatched the live action again for like the 10th time. Love the Rainbow High paper. What? Seriously? It's the Mini Fashion Series 1 purse that I've been looking for. You are spoiling me. And there's more. Here we have a Care Bear. I have been looking for these. And this looks like it can be opened so we could take out the little bear. Love toy mini brands. Hold on, let's take out the bear. Yes, it can come out. And here is our tiny Care Bear. There are even little details on the back. And here we have a Disney bus and the tiger from the Jungle Book. I'm loving all these Disney minis. Here we have the Queen of Hearts. These are some amazing gifts. Thank you so much. And Alberto! Disney Doorbell Series 9 Alberto in human form. What? He's so perfect. Thank you. I am over the moon right now. And our last one is wrapped in Disney Illy Forever paper. And we have Luca in sea monster form and human form. I can't believe this. I'm actually getting teary-eyed. Okay, I have to stop. So many emotions right now. You Fabsome besties are the best. And we have to fix this countertop real fast because I have a little bubbling, which I don't love. And let's turn the sink and dishwasher into an island. I added a back and cut a new countertop to glue on. Take the spring out of a pen and add it to the faucet. I cut new doors for the refrigerator. I add magnetic sheets, cover it with contact paper, and glue them on. Add wire for handles to upgrade our fridge. Use contact paper for a backsplash, and let's cover the floor as well. Begin gluing everything into the room, and I think it is looking pretty good. I think I want to add some lights under the cabinets. But before we do, let's open some mail. This is from the James family. Aw, cute little card. Froggy, I hope this little gift finds its way to you. My girls and I enjoy watching your videos and we heard you're missing this bag. What? Could it be this bag? We always end up with multiples, doubles, triples, quadruples, and so on. Yeah, hopefully our bad luck doesn't rub off, LOL, from our mini James family. Bad luck isn't a bad thing when you send me your doubles. Just saying. Just playing. I don't expect this kind of awesome, amazing treatment all the time. It's a white capsule. That means Series 1. All right, here we go. And here's the bag. Oh, awesome! You all are the absolute best. Oh, wait, there's something inside. Perfume, cream, and a compact. The gold ones are my favorite. Best Fabsome Besties ever. Let's open one more and see what's inside. What? How in the world? There's a note. Hi, Toya, Tamika again. I was out bargain shopping at my local liquidation store and I came across this. I believe it's the package that fits on top of the display case for the Rainbow High fashion bags. I didn't remember seeing a video on whether you had most of these, so I grabbed one for you and one for me too, LOL. Hope you liked them. They were practically a steal. Always, Tamika. What a great find! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 purses for $3? I never even thought of checking liquidation stores. Genius. There's a lavender purse, a blue backpack, a green purse, an orange bag, and a red sling bag. Thank you so much, Tamika, and I can't say it enough. You all are the best. Let's add some lights to our shelves. I got these from the Dollar Tree a while back, and if you just take off the little colored dome, we have a regular LED light. It has 10 lights, but we only really need maybe 3 per cabinet. So I turn it off and I cut the wire going away from the battery pack and secure it with a little electrical tape. Make sure everything still works. I make a small hole in the bottom of the cabinets, glue in the lights, then glue them to the wall. I place the battery pack in the top. I glued a few layers of foam board together to make a top for the cabinets. Turn on the lights and our new kitchen shelves are done. That's right, because these are 2 separate pieces and they are on frames, so we can hang them on the wall as display shelves, just like we do with our Monster High shelves. And I love that they light up. I used more wooden panels to make floor extensions so the island can be on the same level. Let's add a few appliances. We got these from One Curious Box on Etsy, a toaster we made in a previous video a while back, and our little cutting board with a knife from Printed by Stovall's Etsy shop. Let's take a few buttons, add a magnet to the back to make refrigerator magnets that actually work to hold up a few lightweight pictures. And if we want to extend the scene, we can add one of our other little rooms. Change out the furniture to extend the scene. And now we have a nice little backdrop that we can store on our wall for our doll photography. She might need something to cut. And yes, this is another outfit from Elite Doll World. Cute little teddy bear shirt with matching leggings. The perfect outfit to check out more MGA's Miniverse Make It Mini Food. This does have resin, which I personally am not going to use, but I do see value in the miniatures. There's a tiny little cake stand, a paper doily, tweezers, instructions and warnings, a collector's guide, and several small packages. This one is a spoon. There is no spoon. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. And this is a giant glass that we could totally use as a vase for the dolls. And here we have some strawberries. We have some sliced strawberries and 2 whole ones. This is fun to keep around the dolls if they just want some fresh fruit. And this is cake cubes. Okay. And the last one is the resin. I like the idea of just setting everything up to make it look like the doll is about to have a strawberry parfait or a smoothie. In prior videos, we've used Mod Podge to make the food. I've heard of people using slime, but I just really want the minis. Ooh, my hands are dry. Let's put a little lotion on them. I wonder what would happen if I put lotion in the container. I do not know what kind of side effects this could have. Like, could it strip the paint off the toys, off your dolls? And if your kitchen is made out of paper, like mine is, it could possibly destroy it. And different lotions will have different ingredients. So warnings, 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 warnings. Now let's add those cake cubes. If I can pick one up. It's like using a claw machine. There we go. Into the glass. Depth perception is off, but there we go, we did it. All right. I have no hand-eye coordination. Here we go. Get a nice layer of cake. I add a little more lotion. Mist. Add more lotion. A few strawberries. More lotion. And cake. And strawberries on top. Yeah, I'm a great cook. This is totally not edible. And like I said, I don't know what the long-term effects are. You have been warned. But let's see if we can get a spoonful. Yeah! And when I'm all done, I just take everything out, then wash and dry before putting it away. And now we can enjoy making mini food again and again. I really want the avocado toast because it's like one of my favorite things. So let's try again. I got these from Walmart online a while back for $9.97 each. And I'm loving all of the fresh fruit. And I love that some of the utensils, like the spoons, are Barbie size and realistic colors. We have a large doily this time, and our main dish is a pie crust. It's flexible and comes in 2 separate pieces. This is a pie pan for the pie, and this one has a jar of cherries. Yeah, we're just gonna add some lotion, spread it around, get a cherry, oops, and add a cherry on top. I'm gonna need to buy more lotion, but I kind of love that we can take a scoop. And we're gonna finish this video with a little more fan mail. I see a card. And a purse! What? That makes like 3 today. Hi, Toya. I saw you were still searching for this little adorable bag. Since I had 2, I thought, let me send one over. Thank you so much, Claire. I can't believe this just happened. Best Fabsome Besties ever. Thank you for joining us while we remodeled our kitchen and turned it into shelves, opened mail, tried on a few tops from Etsy, and experimented with a few ways to play with Make It Mini Food. You know, random doll stuff. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!